Hi everybody, it's Nikki Chanel here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, makeup is an ever-evolving thing for me. It has gone from extremely over-the-top drag makeup to more of a subtle natural look as the HRT has taken its effect on my body. And one of the things that I love doing is I always love experimenting with colors. So today we are going to be doing what I'm going to be calling my minimalist Pink Glamour makeup tutorial. Now, the reason I'm calling this minimalist is I'm actually skipping an entire step that I have done in every single previous YouTube videos, pretty much since I started doing these makeup videos in about July. Now, I have decided to actually skip concealer because the other day when I was at my work, I worked for an 8-hour shift and my job is pretty physical, so I kind of sweat and have a lot of, pore buildup basically. And I noticed that my pores were just like, the makeup was like way too heavy for my face and it was just bleeding into all my pores, like all my smile lines were really noticeable. And so the next day I did my makeup, I actually completely skipped concealer and I actually thought it was a more subtle, more natural look. It had less coverage on this area right here, but that's gonna go away thanks to electrolysis moving forward. Now, as always, let's get started, but remember to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell for more. We are on the road to 2K followers, and let's see if we can get there. And now, thank you for watching my video, and roll the intro. Okay, now our first step is going to be color correcting, as in every single one of my makeup videos. Because I have facial hair, it gives off blue undertone. Orange is the opposite color on the color wheel. I'll put one up here, and it will thus hide some of the blue undertone. It won't destroy like this entirely dark color, and I shave really close. It still just won't go away. It's an ever-evolving issue with me. But take the orange concealer, and we're just gonna dot it around our face. Now I use lipstick for this. You can also use a concealer. You can also use a couple of other things. I just like to use orange lipstick because this stuff I think was like $5. And it lasts forever. And put it around there, and that's good. Now take our hand. Okay, there's that step. Okay, now for the eye makeup today, I wanted to go pinkish because I was looking at DeviantArt last night and some of the artwork was really good, and a lot of them had like a pinkish hue on it, and so we are gonna be doing a pink look with Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills and my Morphe 35B palette. Now, I'm also going to do foundation after this because I noticed is that sometimes when you do eyeshadow, especially when it's really pigmented, it tends to kind of fall down the face and creates like little dark spots, especially if you're using dark colors. So I'm gonna use foundation afterwards just to kind of clean up the edges around it. Now, we're going to start with this beautiful color, Cypress Umber. This is like one of my go-tos. We're gonna use Cypress Umber, and then we're gonna use a color from Morphe 35B, and then we're gonna use Love Letter, and it should create a nice pink hue. Really dark colors, but it's gonna look really good, so I'm excited for it. Okay, just tap right there. Lean in. Okay, I think that looks good. Do the same on the other eye. Try to get it even. Okay, it's a little bit darker on this side. Even it out, even it out. Okay, so now we're gonna do our second color. So I'm gonna take the other side of the brush that I used, and we are gonna use Love Letter, and we're gonna put this in the center of the eye, and we're also gonna use this as our under eye color, and we'll blend everything together to make it look even and nice. We're gonna take Love Letter by Morphe Anastasia, and we're gonna put this into the center of the eye. We're not gonna put it above the crease line, but we're just gonna put it in like this nice area right here. We're gonna try to Okay, I like that. That looks good. Then we're gonna do it on the other side. Okay, I like that too. That looks good. Now we're gonna take the side of the brush. We're gonna go down on Love Letter, tap it to get some of the pigment out. We're gonna go underneath the eye and do it here. Okay, I like that. That looks good. The same on the other eye. Okay, I like that. Now for a blending color, we are going to be using Morphe 35B palette. I have all of my makeup sitting here on this little counter. And we are going to be using this bright one right here. We're going to use this as our top eye to kind of blend it with everything else once we do everything. So we're just going to take that, tap to get some of the excess off, and we're going to blend this on the top. We should create a nice pink hue. That will do, and we will also do another step after we do everything else. Okay, I like that. And we'll do the same on the other eye. Okay, I like that. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. Okay, now this is the same full coverage foundation I use, Studio Fix Fluid in SPF 15. NC16 is my color. I feel like I need to go one shade lighter because I'm so white. And take that on the tip of the Beauty Blender and just start blending it in. Okay, now just so you don't see me dab my face, through the power of editing, this is done. Okay, so that is done. I actually really like how the eyeshadow came out with the foundation. It actually looks really good. Now we're gonna be doing eyebrows, spiked eyebrow pencil, really basic, straight line on bottom, curve on top. Okay, I like how that eyebrow came out, and we're gonna do the other one. Messed up a little bit on the eyebrow. That is why we do foundation first, so we can blend that in to kind of hide that. That's an easy way to fix makeup, by the way. Use foundation or concealer. Okay, I like how that turned out. Very sharp, very clean. Like it a lot. Now we're gonna use the other end of the brush and just kind of clean that up a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna do the next step. And I'm kind of like going out of order right now because I wanna try different things and different processes. So we are going to be using, oh, I rained glitter. We are gonna be using Gold School by Kat Von D Cosmetics, super pigmented color. We are going to be enhancing the corner of the eye. Okay, I like to do that because it makes the eyes look a little bit brighter from the inside. And now we are going to be doing the next step where we're going to be using this beautiful pink glitter, absolutely gorgeous colors. And we are going to be doing this on the crease line, actually. This is going to be something new I'm trying, so we're going to be doing this on the crease line. Really accentuate the pink. Okay, we're gonna have to do this multiple times. Where'd you go? There you are. Really want to try to get that like pink vibe in there, like glitter pink on the crease line. Fortunately, my eyes are super hooded, which is super annoying, but should look pretty good. We're also gonna do this right above the eyebrow line too. Okay, I actually like this. This is coming out very cute. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Not gonna lie, this is the first time I've actually ever done a pink look I actually like. I love pink. Like, pink was the first color I ever experimented back when I did drag makeup, but I never got it to like actually look good. That's super sparkly, I love it. Now we're gonna do a little bit near the waterline, just to give it like a little speck in the corner. Yep, just like that. Okay, I actually really like that. That's super cute. That's really cute. Okay, now we're gonna move on to bronzer. Bronzer today is going to be my most basic look. MAC Rising Star Bronzer. Same areas I always do it in. Now we're gonna give ourselves a 30-second nose job. Take corner of the brush. We are going to do this on edges of the nose, just to give us a very quick little nose job. Okay, now we can use our Anastasia Beverly Hills Starlight Illuminator with our A23 brush, and we're going to put this all in the areas we want to highlight, accentuate. Okay, I love highlighter, so we're going to go pretty heavy on the highlighter right now. I also want to put this underneath the eyebrows. Give it some accentuation right there. Do a little bit on the neck. Now we're going to blend it all with our Prep and Prime blender. It's actually coming out really clean looking. I really like this makeup so far. This looks really good, actually. This looks really good. Okay, so that's all blended out. Now we are going to take our little flat brush right here. We are going to take an old Anastasia Glow Kit, Sweets, for this beautiful color, Sassy Grape right there. Take a little dab right there. Put that right there. That's going to give us a nice little pink hue on our highlight. Ooh, look at that shine. I love it. Okay, now we're going to do some finishing up touches. Okay, now for finishing up touches, we are going to be doing the lipstick and the mascara. Lipstick, pretty basic, Whirl lip liner with Blankety. Really nice accentuation on the colors. Start in the corner of the mouth, build out, bow, bow, go from there. Giving ourselves a 5-minute lip filler job. Okay, that was like some of the best lip lining I think I've ever done in my life. Now we're gonna take Blankety. I feel like we need to clean up the lip liner just a little bit. Okay, I like that. That actually looks really good. Now we're gonna do mascara, do our spray, and then we're done. NYX on the Rise mascara, really basic, I need to replace it. Okay, I like that. Refill the wand. Okay, now we're gonna do some spray, and then that is it for this makeup. Then I'll go do my hair and my outfit, and we'll show you the finished product. I really like this so far. It looks really good. Okay, I actually really like that. That actually looks really good. And now we are gonna pull the hair out. We'll go do the hair, put on a cute outfit, and we'll show you the finished product. Okay, everybody, this is the finished look right here. I actually really like the pink. I think it came out super cute. I think with the black outfit, it looks super adorable, and I absolutely love it. Now, one thing I probably would change in the future is probably do a little bit more pinkish on the highlighter, but overall, it gives me summer Barbie vibes. Now, everybody, thank you for liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, share it with your friends, let them learn the pink makeup look. And this has been Nikki Chanel. Have a good day.